Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and popular programming language, widely used for various applications, including data analysis, web development, and artificial intelligence. Keeping well-organized notes is crucial for any programmer to reference and learn from their past work. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create Python notes in PDF format using Python itself. We will use the reportlab library for PDF generation and provide code examples to illustrate the process. Before we start, make sure you have the reportlab library installed. If not, you can install it using the following command. Create a Python script or Jupyter notebook and import the necessary libraries. Create a function to generate a PDF document with a title and content. Run the script, and you should see a new PDF file, python_notes.pdf, in your working directory with the specified title and content. This is a basic example, and you can customize the function to include more advanced features, such as code snippets, images, or hyperlinks. To include code examples in your notes, you can modify the content and formatting. For instance, you can use a mono-spaced font for code and add code blocks. By organizing your notes with a clear structure and including code examples, you'll have a valuable resource for future reference and learning. Customize the script further to suit your specific needs and preferences. ChatGPT. Creating PDF notes using Python in 2022 can be accomplished using various libraries such as reportlab, pyfpdf, fpdf, or pfkit. For this tutorial, we'll use reportlab, a powerful library for generating PDFs. Ensure you have it installed before proceeding. Let's create a Python script that generates a PDF with notes and text using reportlab. Below is an example. Explanation. To execute this script, save it in a Python file, and run it. It will generate a PDF file named python_notes.pdf in the same directory containing the notes you specified. Feel free to enhance the content, formatting, or add more features using reportlab's capabilities to create comprehensive Python notes in PDF format. ChatGPT.